Hello and welcome back, everybody. Here in this third video of this series of getting this 1954 back up and running on the road, bringing it back to life. This is just us getting the 54 back here to my house. Being as trying to do work at the previous owner's house was just becoming logistically difficult, and the 54 is throwing us for a couple of curves, so I had to get it home. I couldn't be running back and forth anymore. So it made more sense to bring it back here so I could do little bits of work as I go along. All right. So sit back, enjoy. If you guys are starting to like this series, being that this is only the third video I've done of this, please share it with your friends and family. Give me a like, subscribe, because this is going to be one of many videos. There's a lot of work to do on this 54. Also, if you got stories of these old Chevys like I do that are deep to my heart, please, in the comments, write your story. Give us a little blurb of what memories you had in these 54 Chevys, or in any old car, to be perfectly honest with you. Sharing those stories with everybody kind of brings us all together and makes us a little nostalgic. Reminds us where the cars have come to where they are today. All right. So without torturing you guys anymore with my voice, let's get this video started.
Brakes off, right? This isn't dramatic at all.
Yeah, we're just fine. Right. I think that's it. Can you open the door? Oh, that's right. Yeah. All right, now we got to tie it down for its inaugural move. Yes, please. Where am I going to tie down to? Bit of frame, maybe. Possibly. I need a piece of cardboard just so I know that this won't cut into it. Actually, you know what? That's gonna be a pain in the ass for you, isn't it? Yeah, I can get the ratchet better on this side than what he's got. There we go. Now pull this in. and then hook it. Right there. Let go just a bit. There we go. All right, pull the slack. Keep going, nice and tight. Good. Hold it there for a few. It's hanging here. Spider webs. All right, hook that side, Diego. You may have to throw it on the other side of the tire. Diego.
Yes.
Untwist the slack while you're there. All right, now get the slack on the right side. There you go. Untwist it. They're twisting it. There you go. One more time. Perfect. I got something stopping me on the side. Oh, the master cylinder. You son of a... Alright, that's good for now. A couple more straps for the back. These should hold. Forgot what these are rated for. They're automotive is what I bought them for. It's not a good tie down spot. Bunch of body mounts. Can't tie down to the axle. Yeah, tie down to the tire. I know that. There you go. Forget it. I'm always losing something. At least one more right underneath here. At least one more click. See, you hit the trailer and kind of got a lift. There you go. My shoulder won't let me do it. I don't think so. What, the weed?
That's what that is.
That's weed. Oh, this is the first in a while dash to the left.
What?
Alright. That's true.
You got it, bub?
I need to add that to work first.
Oh.
Why?
Because this is in the way for me to send it out.
You got, dude. Mine has nothing to do with this.
That's one strap, Bubba.
Oh.
One in front might be a bit of a headache. It's here.
Yeah. Have you seen it in oh, you've seen it in person. You've just been to one. Yeah.
I can't. Papa.
You need help?
Dude, I'm thinking about I'm going to the house.
Inside. Go down this one. In the middle. Oh, the brakes don't work. So, emergency brake is right there by your knee. So pull, turn down clockwise, and then push in. That's off. Pull, turn. There you go. Now it's on.
Ooh! I almost died.
Alright, so jacks. You get jacks on this. Last time I used the truck. First thing you got to do is cars on tilt. Okay, don't worry about that too much. The only brake is the emergency brake. I can't stop, especially once you start rolling. I won't be able to stop. So stay on that brake no matter what. Okay. Once we get you off the ramps, I'm going to probably tell you to turn left. So just be prepared for that. Okay. All right. Brake off. Brake on. If you can't keep pulling it, or just turn it, so that way you can turn the brake on and off. So that way you can control the speed to right off. Turn. Alright, ready?
Tell me if you need me to stop recording and help.
Cool. Brake off. Brakes. There you go. That's how you control the speed. Go ahead, slow. You got it. Start turning it to the left just a little bit. Okay, brake off. Brakes. You have to maneuver once we're off of it. Right, straight, go right. Straighten back out. Manual steering is fun, isn't it? All right, brake all the way, and let's get the trailer off out of the way. I think so. Well, you know what? That's gonna be in the way. What is the barrel? That bucket barrel. Yeah. Yeah, it's a barrel. Same shit.
I couldn't remember the name.
The license. It worked. All right. Good. And there it is. Synovio is in the garage, finally home. I didn't tell you guys, I was named it Synovio. That was my grandfather's name. And being that this is the old timer and to help continue his legacy, I decided to name it after him as being an old stubborn guy who is difficult. It's finally home. A bit of a journey. Had to rearrange the garage a little bit, so now I've got my slingshot here, Synovio here, and eventually the motorcycle is going to be up for sale soon, so that will make a little bit more room in the garage. But I'm glad you're here with me on this journey. This is one step closer. Now that I have it home, I'll be able to do little things here and there. I'll be able to get the pressure washer to it, start cleaning it up, get more time. But the only downside is I really wanted to get it running on the seller's property, primarily because he wants a ride in it once it's running. So I was like, okay, then we had to get it running and drive it out the yard. It just wasn't going to happen. It just started getting way too difficult, too many logistics. And now with the fuel pump and the water pump in the condition they are, I really want to clean the area first before I go ahead and install the new parts. So here we are, on to the next stage. Thanks for staying with me. Wait for the next one.